I'm out here today to check up on all the crossing setups I have, as well as the future installations. With this first setup, it is activated by a push button. And here's the setup. That there's the control cabinet. You can look at the side light lenses and tell that the back lights are working properly. Same thing with the gate lights. Gate lights are LED. So they have front and back LEDs, and the back light will be on the front. So really I can walk around and double check that the back lights are lighting up. On this setup, it isn't that important. And this is a whole another problem happening right now. A slipping hold clear clutch. It's a big problem with these crossing signals. Typically it happens in warmer weather. Why it's happening now, I don't really know, but I'm going to check up on that real quick, see what I need to do to get that fixed. I'm going to temporarily fix this problem by lifting up the gate until the hold clear engages, and then I'll go in there and check and see if it's getting proper voltage. Alright, the crossing setup out here is all good and ready to go for the upcoming weekend. The cabinet light had to be replaced, the light bulb. I went and made sure it was getting proper voltage, as well as fixed another issue happening within the cabinet. This is a new installation. Here is a Griswald control cabinet that I restored. As you can see, it has Griswald right there. It even has a Griswald box for the train conductor to press a button to activate the signals manually. The only thing not installed at this crossing yet is the signal going on the other side of the tracks. That'll tap into that junction box. There's a conduit that goes beneath the ground to the control cabinet, and then the bell will be mounted to the back of this control cabinet, as it is a cabinet mounted bell. There's the power indicator light. As you can see, it is off, as this has not been wired up yet. I'm going to go ahead and fix the obvious on this crossing setup, and then I'll go through and test the crossing signals to make sure they are operating correctly and all the lights are lighting up, as well as all the bells are running properly. I have to hold the camera as there is too much wind. It'll just blow the tripod over, so apologies for the shaking of the camera. What I'm going to do first is shut off main power. And now it's on battery backup. As you can tell, the indicator light is flashing. So I'm going to go ahead and activate the crossing signals. Make sure the gates drop properly. All the lights operate correctly as well. And back up. I don't know if you caught that on the S40 signal, which is the one the camera's pointed at right now. Has two gate lights not turning on. Tip light is lit up. The common issue with these gate lights is that the wire connections like to come loose on it. If anything, it would have to be this one. There we go. The whole strand is working properly again. With this crossing setup, the bell sequence is in a way that allows me just to lift up the gate and test each bell individually. This one here is top of the mast mounted. And all the bells are working properly, so are the lights now. Going to lift the gates back up. And everything is working properly.